My name is Nikos Delarizios. We're here in Darwin, Northern Territory, in a little suburb called Zicoli. Well, it's a great little community. We're also born and bred up here, and I have my own building company. And second to that, I'm also a licensed structural engineer, and I have a structural engineering company. Here in Darwin, because of our stringent building legislation and building codes, everything needs to be tested, certified and or pre-engineered. As an engineer, and testing quite a number of these panels, we do see very big differences in performance. Now obviously not the cells and not how they work electrically, but the structural performances and how they, durability is a better word for it. The better the panel, the more sturdier, the better the build. Obviously, the less issues you're going to have, because you're investing quite a bit of money. Now, if I'm going to spend that sort of money, well, I do want to get the maximum year or period I can out of it. And after testing and seeing how they can behave under a cyclone, under normal conditions, you can only assume they're going to be far more superior. And then when it came to the testing of it, obviously the frames, the structural integrity, because it's a composite panel, we felt better to have something like that on our roof, along with the warranties and along with the things that we see whilst we test materials. So they are a far more superior product than what we've seen in other areas.